Hello guys, this time I am just going to describe you how to install TIKI WIKI CMS at your hosting. I have already buy the hosting and domain from godaddy.com. Now I am going to log in at here with my credential. After logins, you can see this is my dashboards, and I am just going to launch my web hosting and then click manage button. So you can see this is my C panels where you will find some of the applications are at here. Just go to the web application. Then select the TIKI Wikis. This is the TIKI Wiki CMS. Click on that icons. After click on that icons, it will be redirected to next page, and then click on the install this application. Choose the location where you want to install this applications and give your usernames and password at here. So at the bottom, click on install button. Wait for a while. I'm just pausing this video for a while. I have come back, and you can see it will be redirected to the next page. So the next page give me a 3 URLs, which is the main URL. This is my main URL where I have installed the TIKI Wiki, and this is the admin URL, and this is the forum of TIKI Wiki. So this is the main URL. You can see it is already installed at here. This is the default home page for TIKI. So by this way you can install or set up the TIKI Wiki at your hosting in 2-3 steps. No uploading and downloading requirement for that. You can change the content of the home page and create another page by login at here. So you need to log in before changing the home page and everything. So thanks for watching these videos. I hope you like these videos. Thanks.